I could not help myself. I had to go find a picture of a grasshopper sitting on a reed. And there you are. I've already drawn my axes. Let's see. The equation is h equals blah, 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 where x is the distance in inches from the base of the reed. So that's 8x, and h is the height. And then it tells me that the grasshopper is perched on a reed 5 inches above the ground. Okay, well, we're going to make the height where he's at right here. This is where the 5 inches will be. Okay, and then he hops off the reed and he lands on the ground 7.9 inches away. So here goes the grasshopper. He goes up and he goes down, and he lands right here, which is 7.9 inches. Okay, need another color. Okay. How far, here's our question, how far was the grasshopper from the base of the reed when it was 3.25 inches above the ground? Okay, 3.25 inches above the ground would be approximately, I don't know, how about here? Okay, so if this is 3.25 inches, we are looking for that X right there. How far was the grasshopper from the base of the reed? We're looking for this distance right to there, so we want to know what that X is. Now, since the 3.25 is the height off the ground, the 3.25, this right here, has to go where the H is. So we're going to have 3.25 equals the negative 0.3x squared plus 1.75x plus 5. Now, I felt that the easiest way to solve this was let this be y sub 1 and this be y sub 2. So I grabbed my calculator and I typed those in. Boop. And there it is. Let me scroll up a little bit. I think you can see that. Yep, you can see them. They're in my calculator. And then, you know, you hit your y equals 2 button, type those in, and then this picture, you're only in quadrant 1, and so at first I did a 10 by 10 grid, but then it kept giving me the x coordinate over here, this point right here, and I didn't want that one. I want this point over here, so I adjusted my window. I went to the window and I adjusted my x min. I believe I went to -1, and I did the same thing with my y min, -1, so that I got just a little bit to the left and below the origin right there. So I typed those in. I messed with my window, and then I saw, let me see if I can get this to work too. Boop. Oh, it dropped down. Okay. So then I saw this picture here. And then remember, you will go, here, let me shrink this down so I can get them on the same page. There we go. Boop. There it is. All together now. This is the point. Where's my blue pen? We are looking for this point right here, and we want to know what x coordinate it's at. So I hit the second button, and then the trace button, and then number 5, which says intersect. And this is where I had the problem when I just used the zoom 6 button. It was showing me over here, and I didn't want that. I wanted this one, so I had to basically crop that out using the window. And then you hit enter, 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 and you will see this at the bottom, and all I need is the x coordinate, and I said to round to the nearest tenth. So if x equals 6.70, your answer is 6.7 inches from the base of the reed. So there you go. Hope that makes sense.